Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this gorgeous day? Hi, I'm Manny. No, I'm just kidding. Let me stop. Let me calm down. I'm a little hyper right now. I just woke up, had some yogurt and granola. I'm trying to be healthier. It was non-fat yogurt, so don't come for me. Anyway, you guys, today's video, I'm actually really excited to make today's video because it is going to be a review, full face actual demo of the new TATI Beauty BLENDIFUL products. I actually just got this in the mail last night, and I was really interested to try out these products. Like, what is the tea on these little BLENDIFUL babies? So they're like sponges? No. Powder puffs? No. I don't know exactly what they are, but they're gonna be universal is what I've heard and what the tea is with that. So I actually watched Tati's video about these products that she's coming out with that she just launched. Actually, they're already available now if you guys want to grab them. I'll leave the link down below, of course. And basically she was saying that you can use them with liquid, you can use it with cream, you can use it with powder. It's basically like an all-in-one encompassing pro product. Let me keep it real. Let me keep it fucking 100 real quick. When I first started watching the video and I saw that they were like powder puff vibes, I wasn't like ecstatic or like really excited. I was like, okay, they're like a powder puff, cool, I guess. And then after I watched the video, I was like, give me these puffs right now, Tati, right now. She has that effect, okay? I was almost a fiend for it after I watched the video. I was like, I need them now.
Yeah, I hope you guys feel that.
So I'm gonna review them right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and just do a demo. I'm gonna use all the products on my face to see exactly how to use it, what to do with them. I want today's video to be more of like a pro tip video, I feel like. I'm gonna be like Tati today. It's gonna be very gorgeous and just stunning and stoic and smart and beautiful, because those are all things that Tati is. But anyways, guys, that's what today's video is going to be. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the joke with that. I can't actually do the like whoa. I've tried, but it's not my team. But if you guys do like this video, please go give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And if you're new, what's up? I'm MannyMua. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. But yeah, let's go and get into today's little review. Okay, so we have this product. So this comes in a package. It comes with two, and it's $18 for the package. I actually think that's a very fair price because I actually use powder puffs all the time, and the one I use all the time is the Lunar Beauty one, and this guy retails for $16. So not only are you getting two for 18, but look how much bigger even just the smaller, like the bigger one is than the Lunar Beauty one. It's way bigger. At least, I mean, not like crazy bigger, but it's like you still get like a little edge. It's bigger, and you get an extra one for 18 bucks. So I think that's a really fair price point. And I wanted to just show a comparison between a classic puff that like people use in the pro artist world, like the Lunar Beauty one. I use this one all the time. I have like literally like 5 of them to touch up my makeup throughout the day. But what I see about these that are different is that the fiber on them, like the material is much different than a powder puff. A powder puff is literally just for powder. You like set it, you're good to go. As you can see, mine's like permanently bent because I always fold them and I use them. That's why I wanted to try this so bad, because I'm a powder puff connoisseur, if you will. I love a powder puff. But this material is very different. So I'm really excited to try these out and see what the tea is, what the tea with Tati is. Let me stop. Okay, I'm gonna go and take some, I'm gonna try it with primer. I'm very excited. I have nothing on my skin other than moisturizer. So I'm gonna go and dip into some primer, and we're going to pat it in. This is the TATCHA silk canvas, and Tati said that you can literally just kind of pat in, like because of the material it won't wipe away, it literally just like deposits product nicely. So I'm very interested to see if that's the tea. You know, I'm very curious. I'm a curious little bitch, you know what I'm saying? But so far it feels nice. It's patting in nicely. I just think it's really strange because I'm used to using like beauty blenders often, so I'm gonna be using this whole like full face on my actual face with no beauty blender, you know, and I'm used to that kind of slip and that wetness. Ew. Okay, honestly, it deposited the primer so well. Oh, fuck. Is this gonna be a game changer? Is it gonna be a changing of the games? And when I feel it, it's like dry, which is really nice too. It's like, it really like deposited all the product that it said it would, which I really enjoy. I also just love that you get a cute little baby one for the go. And it's like a heart. You cannot tell me this isn't cute. By the way, this one's a lot more firm and dense and more stiff. This one is willy-nilly. This one goes with the flow. This is water. It's beachy water. It fucking flows. You know, motion of the ocean with this one. But this one, it's hard. It's earth. It's rocky. It's a Taurus. I don't know where I'm going with this. Let's go and go on and try it with some foundation now. I'm really intrigued to try this. I want to see what it looks like and how it applies with foundation, because that's what she said you could do. You could literally use any products with it. So cream, liquid, foundation. We're going to go ahead and apply this on the skin. We're going to pat it on. And we're going to press. and swipe, I guess, I suppose, as well. So I'm noticing that, you know what? I need a mirror for up close. I mean, it's applying it nicely. Let's see. I would say with this, I just think it's easier to tap than to swipe. I'm not a swiping kind of girl. I have facial hair, so I tend to not swipe because I don't want to swipe into my beard. So what I'm doing, I'm just kind of pressing and lightly tapping and blending away. So I did use about 3 pumps with this and did cover the majority of my face. And a lot of it, I mean, yes, some of it is stuck in here, of course, because it's still like a material. It's not like it's not gonna be there. But a lot of it really did get just distributed onto my face only. And not a lot of it is stuck in here, I will say. It is definitely dirty. What I do like about this product too, is that I feel like it's a very like eco-conscious product because you can wash these. You can wash them over and over again, almost like a beauty blender. You can wash them. And it's like your application tool, you know what I mean? So let me do another pump. And let's try to, you know what? Actually, I think wiping would have been better because as I'm wiping, it literally like is distributing so much easier and it's getting in more spots. It's definitely more of a wipey style product. Wipe and tap. Wipe and tap, I would say. But I feel like it really looks quite gorgeous, doesn't it? The application, I'm gonna zoom you guys in actually even more. As you see, there's no streaks. There's no streakiness. It's blended so gorgeously. I'm just tapping and wiping. Okay, honestly, I didn't have a lot of faith in the idea of this applying liquid or cream. I just didn't because I'm like, well, you know, it's a puff applying cream. That's weird. But I really feel like it's applying it gorgeously. What do you guys think? Can you see? I don't see a single streak, to be quite honest. And it wiped gorgeously, like it applied nicely. If I would have done this again, I would have wiped only and then tapped instead of just tapped, because I feel like that's what made like not as much product be used. But this is what it looks like, the puff. Obviously it's getting more and more dirty, clearly. Let's go ahead and use it with some concealer. I'm really excited to see what concealer would look like with it as well. We're gonna just do a classic Tarte Shape Tape. Use code MannyMua on Tarte. You guys, I'm a Tarte affiliate. If you guys want to save some coin on Tarte, use code MannyMua for some Tarte goodies. Let's go ahead and try this guy. I love that this is so pliable. That's like one of my favorite things about this too, is that it's so like maneuverable.
This guy is so thin and bendy.
Okay, so we're gonna put that into the crease. And we're gonna continue to blend this out. You know what this like material reminds me? It reminds me of like the makeup remover cloths that like take off your makeup. It reminds me of that kind of, but it's not taking away my makeup. Does that make sense? I mean, I think it's blending it literally gorgeously. I can obviously feel like on this, the material on the actual, this guy is getting a little bit more like stiff and a little more wet because I'm obviously using a lot of like liquidy products with it. But as you can see, it's actually doing everything. Like it's blending it really, really, really nicely. I think so. And it's not taking away my product. The product is staying down nicely. It's blended to filth. And what I like about this too is you guys, I feel like I'm pressing in like pretty hard to make sure it's getting into all like my pores and shit like that. And it's pressing in so nicely. And I don't feel like it's giving me, it's like taking off my makeup. I don't feel like it's taking it off. I feel like it's keeping it there in place. See that? This is up close, you guys. This is fucking up close, okay? Y'all see, this is some real life shit. This is some real life shit right here. So now I'm gonna go and take the same guy and I'm gonna actually fold it a different way. And I'm gonna use this for translucent powder and set my under eye with some translucent powder. Actually, I'm gonna set the whole face with translucent powder and see what we get. Oh, it feels so good with powder. You guys, I love the feeling of this. And I'm really just pressing the powder into the skin. I mean, this is what I normally do. I love to already use powder puffs for powder because I really feel like it secures the makeup in place and you're really pressing it in rather than wiping and wiping off product. And I really, really love using powder puffs for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. I will say though, my little guy is pretty fucking dirty now and I would hope that I can use it again before feeling like I need to wash it. I don't want to have to wash it after every single application because I'm lazy. You know, that's I think the only thing for me that I would say is like something to think about is like I don't want to have to wash this bitch at all. Like I mean, no, I do, of course, I understand I have to wash it, but I don't want to wash it too often because I'm lazy, because I'm lazy. Bitch, my face is so stamped. Bitch, where are my pores? Are you guys fucking kidding? Look at this. Look at my nose. Y'all know I have big pores. I I had a lot of acne growing up and my fucking pores were shot to hell. It does look heavier than it would if I was using a beauty blender because there's more product distributed onto my face because of this. It soaks up less product because of the fibers and material that it actually is. So therefore, you actually need to use less product than you think you need because a little bit goes a very, very long way when using this, especially with the powder, with the foundation, with the whole full fantasy. So she's caked. I'm gonna take a little bit of setting spray and just kind of take away the cakey powderiness of my face right now because it's a little heavy because I went pretty ham with the powder, not really realizing. This is the Morphe Continuous Mist. I fucking love it. To kind of give me that like real life appearance to the skin again. Water is life. Blood is lives. Who's watching Dracula? I fucking love it. But the third episode. Okay, let's have this discussion. Dracula on Netflix, the Netflix original. There's 3 episodes of it, right? It's almost like a mini series. They're an hour and a half long. The first 2 episodes are gorgeous. They're stunning. However, the 3rd episode, there's a big disconnect. There's a large disconnect, if you will, which is really frustrating and baffling. Okay, skin up close now that the face is set with some setting spray. Way less cakey, we'll say right there. Way less cakey, a lot less like intense looking. I really like it, you guys. I think it's really, really, really pretty. Let's go in. You know what? I'm just gonna, for shits and giggles, just for myself, I'm gonna take a little bit of the edge of Miss Blendiful, and I'm going to pat on some bronzer. And it totally fucking worked. What? Look, I'm literally just pressing it, and it's giving me the bronze sensation. Like, it's bronzing me and it's blending it so softly. Oh my god, it's actually applying a lot more bronzer than I usually apply because of how the distribution works with this kind of fiber. Baby, what you have on here, it is getting placed. Of course, there's a little residual. Duh, that's just how, like, hello, it's a product, it's still fiber, but it's giving you more product. You're actually saving a lot more product in this method because of it. I will say this product, of course, takes a learning curve, just like a lot of new, more innovative products do. It takes a learning curve. You have to really learn how to work with the product, but I think it's kind of fun to just kind of tap, 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 and like you have bronzer on. You know what I mean? Like, I think it's kind of fun. Look, okay, I went a little heavy-handed. Okay, I don't want to talk about it. Okay, we're gonna press, 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 and blend, blend, blend. Look, it really blends so nicely. Look at that. I just blended for like a couple of seconds and she's blended to filth.
Wow.
Why was that so easy? I mean, mind you, it still took like some time, obviously. A brush is faster, I will say. A brush is faster, but if you were in a pinch and all you had was this, baby, you could get it done. You could get it done. I also love this little one. I would just fix so perfectly right here. This one, you guys, what I would use is I would just load this guy up with powder continuously and then just take this with me to travel with and just to like have it to just kind of touch up throughout the day because it's so easy. This material, it's so strange. I did not expect it to feel like this. It really does feel like almost like those makeup remover cloths where it has like that like microfibery kind of consistency where it doesn't harbor product, but it places it down really nicely. Am I J-Lo yet? Am I TATI yet? No, I'm not. Okay, guys, so what are my thoughts? What are the pros and cons? What is the tea with Miss TATI and Miss Blendiful? So, you guys, let's go and go with pros and cons. Why don't we do pros and cons for the products and see what you guys decide. Pros, I would say applied very easily. It's definitely an all-in-one encompassing product. I love the material of this. I love how soft it is. I love how it feels on the skin. I love that it has a little handle that you can like kind of place on. I love that it comes with 2 in the package. I love the price point of it. There's a lot of things that I love about it. And I do love how it applied. Like once I got the hang of it, bitch, I got the hang of it, you know? And it looks really, really pretty. It looks full coverage. The pores are non-existent. She's pressed. She's stamped and she's sickening. The cons, I would say the cons would be along the lines more of how dirty it gets. I would say it gets very, very dirty, very filthy, and I wouldn't really want to wash it that often. Like, knowing me and knowing myself, I don't really want to wash it that often. That's just my tea. Another con would be, you know, it takes a little bit of a learning curve. You kind of have to mess with it a little bit more to like figure it out. That's kind of how it is with new products that are new innovations. You're gonna have to like use it a couple times, play with it, see what you think, get like the hand for it, because it's definitely more of a pro product. It's not so consumerism driven, I would say, but I really love that TATI is bringing pro items to a consumer world, which I really, really, really enjoy. And I would say those are probably the only two cons I could really think of. Everything else was more of a pro. Oh my God. So for me, I would say that this product was a complete hit and a win for me. I really, really enjoyed it. I love it. I will continue to use it. Will I use it for liquid foundation or liquid things like that? Probably not. I'll probably end up just using these for specifically powder because I don't want to continuously have to clean them so much. I just don't want to, because I'm lazy. But I love these so much for powder puffs, bitch. For me, it's gonna be a game changer because I really, really, really do like them. And I'm gonna have to get some more because I love, 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 love. And I love that it comes with two. I really, really like it. I really think that TATI thought long and hard about these, and I think that they're amazing. And I really feel like she is a powder puff girl. She uses powder puffs, like I know she does. So I think that her coming out with something like this is so on brand for her. And I feel like it's very, very cool. And I feel like she likes to use, you know, like quirky items in her channel. She tests quirky things. And I feel like this is a fun, quirky item that really works. It's like adorable. So I would say all in all, it is a hit for me. I love him and I will continue to use him. Good job, TATI. Again, another win in TATI Beauty's book. Another motherfucking win. Of course, you guys, if they're too much of a con for you, obviously don't purchase them. It's totally, totally fine. I just wanted to go ahead and weigh out the pros and the cons. For me, the pros outweigh the cons by a lot. So I would continuously use them and I would purchase them myself as well. So if you guys are interested in that, of course, I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to. I know that the Texture Neutrals palette is also back in stock on the website, which is really, really great. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys had fun watching it. I just wanted to do a quick little review and demo using these to show you guys that it is a really, really, really versatile product. And I'm excited for it. I'm actually very, very, very excited for it. You can definitely use it for multiple things, which I'm sure is what it was intended for. And I can absolutely see that in the creation and in the design. Look at the material. I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I love you. We all want to save some coin. Ooh, my hairline is white. Wow. She's a pale girl. Work. Please. You know what I'm saying? Fuck. My hand doesn't want to work like that. Blendiful is wonderful. Let me wipe this fucking neck real quick. Let's wipe this fucking neck. Work, diva. What is the motherfucking tea? Look at what I just did. Oh, it's like big mommy and little mommy. Big mama and little baby. I'm caked to filth. I'm a cakey little whore. And I love red velvet. Yeah.